Douglas Reeve was born in Arvida, Quebec, Canada on June 6, 1945. He graduated with honors from the University of British Columbia in 1966 and continued his education at the University of Toronto, where he earned his Master of Applied Science in 1969 and his PhD in 1971. He is a registered professional engineer in Ontario. Reeve devoted his academic career to researching and developing a new pulp bleaching process in which molecular chlorine is replaced with chlorine dioxide. Reeve's dissertation on the effluent-free mill introduced a groundbreaking process in which bleach plant effluent is cycled through the chemical recovery system. Because chlorine dioxide reacts differently than molecular chlorine to the lignin in pulp, fewer toxic organochlorine byproducts are discharged in pulp mill effluent. His process resulted in marked improvements in water quality by virtually eliminating dioxins in effluent. He worked closely with his professor, mentor, and friend, Howard Rapson, in developing this process. Rapson is a fellow Paper Industry Hall of Fame member. In 1972, Reeve was hired by Urco Industries, now Urco Worldwide, to help perfect and market his closed-cycle process. His method was adopted and implemented in 1977 by Great Lakes Forest Products, today known as Abitibi Bowater. Reeve's methods helped improve the control of chlorine in the kraft recovery cycle and helped lead to methods for reducing boiler plugging. Reeve helped create several of the premier conferences in the pulp and paper industry, including both the Tappy Bleach Plant Operations Short Course and the Tappy Kraft Recovery Operations Short Course, as well as the International Chemical Recovery Conference. Reeve is pictured with the inaugural Tappy Bleach Plant Operations team in 1983. He served as director, chair, and lecturer from its inception in 1983 until 2003. Also pictured are fellow Paper Hall of Fame members Howard Rapson and Johan Gullikson. Rapson stands second from the right in the front row, and Gullikson stands first on the right in the back row. Reeve has remained close friends with Johan Gullikson. Together, they pose in 1998 at the presentation ceremony of Reeve's honorary doctorate degree in Helsinki, Finland. Reeve served as director, chair, and lecturer for the Tappy Kraft Recovery Operations Short Course from 1986 through 2005. The team is gathered for a group photo in 1986. Tom Grace, another fellow Paper Industry Hall of Fame member, is pictured standing second from the right. Reeve established his own consulting firm in 1981, serving as president and lead consultant. Members of his team take a break from the festivities of the firm's Christmas party to pose for this photograph in 1985. In 1987, Reeve helped found the Pulp and Paper Center at the University of Toronto. The research center helped establish the university as a major contributor to developments in the pulp and paper industry. He served as the center's first director until 2001. Doug Reeve was named chair of the Chemical Engineering and Applied Chemistry Department at the University of Toronto in 2001. Since he began his career at the University of Toronto, Reeve has been instrumental in advising the scholarship and research of 31 graduate students and 34 undergraduates. He remains a valued teacher, mentor, and colleague. Reeve has maintained a close relationship with his peers and his own mentors. Here he takes a time out for some fun in the lab with Howard Rapson, David Goring, a 2006 member of the Paper Hall of Fame, and Goran Anergren in 1988. Reeve and his wife Melanie were married in 1986. The couple enjoys spending time on the scenic shores of Georgian Bay. Here they pose for a photo opportunity while on vacation. The couple also enjoys spending time with family at their cottage at Georgian Bay. Reeve has a daughter, Kate, and two stepchildren, Gregory and Karen. The couple has 4 treasured grandchildren, Benjamin, Zoe, Hannah, and Talia.